Hey friend, are you trying to understand how to get applications on your streaming device that you can't find in the App Store? Movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports for your streaming device for free. Follow along and I will show you exactly how to do it. Welcome back to TechVibes. The first thing we need to do is head over to the Quick Settings. Select it and then select it again for all settings. Come down to Apps and go down all the way to Security. Right here where it says Scan Apps with Play Protect, we want to turn this off and leave it off. Now back out and back out again. Hit the search icon or use the microphone on your remote. Type in Downloader as we search for the application. Downloader is this orange icon right here, so select it. We click Install to begin the process. Downloader gives us the ability to grab applications that we may not have available normally. Once Downloader is installed, we can just click Open. Now Downloader works just like any regular web browser. We can type in any URL we want. For instance, the website we are going to go to is livebytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you that is so much quicker. So we have this little red circle that acts just like a cursor, and our remote is like a mouse. We can go right, down, left, up, and the select button is the center button. So we can go up. It highlights Downloader, then click over to highlight the search area. We can click it, and here it gives us a digital keyboard. We are just going to click the number button. Type in 370178. Go down and click the check mark or hit go to continue. There is a 5-second redirect happening right now. Now once the screen has loaded up, we actually come up and hit the 3-dot button over there on our remote. We want to add this page to our favorites. This way, if at any point you want to come back for other applications, you do not have to type in or remember the short code. We just hit save. Now on this page, we have some great tutorials and helpful how-to guides. Follow those along and they will help you out even more. Come on down the page. Let's look at the section for sports, movies, and TV shows. Click on the download button. It gives us a great little download file. Now we can configure our streaming device properties. We will hit Settings, highlight Downloader, and turn it on. This gives Downloader the proper permissions to install applications. Click Install. If it asks to turn on Play Protect, select No and let us keep it off. We are going to hit Done. Now we are going back out. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete because we only need to do that the one time. Next up is the HQ application. There is a little redirect here for the HQ link. Here it wants us to just click on this little blue arrow or click on the download icon, and the download starts up. It is a very quick application download. Once it downloads, select Yes and then Install. And we are going to click Done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now back out once, then twice, and we are at the area to get the HD app. Same exact thing here. Give it a quick second, click on the blue icon. Another quick and easy downloaded application for your setup. Hit Install, click Done. Select Delete. Confirm the delete. Back out once and then back out twice. Now we have one last application to grab, which is a total classic. It is Kodi. Click right on it. Hit the little blue button download icon. Let it load up. Hit Install. Click Done. Delete the installation file and confirm the delete. Now everyone, we can just hit the home button on our remote control. Let us go find these applications on our device. Your apps are right down here, so we just click down. We just pull all the way down. We have our apps here, and of course we see all the applications we just downloaded for you. Let us check out Kodi first. Select Continue. I usually select Don't Allow for recording audio. Select Allow for photos and media access. Now here we are inside the Kodi interface. Highlight the settings icon. Go over to Systems. Come down to Add-ons. Slide over using your remote. Come down to Unknown Sources, select it, and say Yes. Back out of there. Go up to the File Manager option. Click on Add Source. Click right here. Here we are going to enter a specific URL. You need to enter this URL exactly as it is shown on the screen. We need a colon right here after the first part. If you hit the Shift button on the keyboard, it gives you a colon. Click it, then type // To follow along properly, just type it in exactly like that. We will click OK. Now for our source name. We will just say OK. If you made a mistake typing it, you will see an error message pop up. Back out one step. Go to Add-ons. Select Install from Zip File. Select our custom name. Click our file. Give it a few minutes to process. Now it is installed successfully. Go to Install from Repository. Select our name. Go to Program Add-ons. Select our setup wizard. Hit Install. Highlight OK and click it. Now this part might take a few minutes to finish up. The screen may go black a few times or it may blink while it is working. There is a little counter here that starts at 0%. It will go all the way to 100% fairly quickly. And once everything is totally done, we will get this clean blue screen. We are officially good for the very next step. So, Just click the button, give it a quick minute, say yes. If you know these specific builds, use one of them. If not, just select the free option. Click yes. Alright everyone, this takes a little bit of time to fully install on your device. I just want to say a huge thank you for following along with TechVibes. If you have a specific app that you think would be great for me to feature, put it in the comment section. I will look into it and get a dedicated tutorial out for you as soon as possible. I know some of these installation steps can feel a bit repetitive if you have done them before, but a large percentage of our viewers are completely new to the channel and have never seen this process. I truly appreciate all of you watching, subscribing, and hanging out with us today. Now that installation part is completely done, we want to force close Kodi. So we can just click OK to exit out. When you reopen the application, you can sit back and enjoy. I truly appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for watching. Happy streaming out there. We hope you enjoy the content. That is all for today's video on TechVibes. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Do not forget to leave a comment below to let me know if this worked for your device.